Imagine you're in your office. You are scrolling through your phone, taking little breaks every few minutes. Suddenly,
Oh, the manager is coming.
your manager walks in. Instantly, you straighten your back. You switch to your work tab. Your typing speed magically doubles. Now ask yourself, did your skills improve in 1 second? Of course not. But the second they're gone, you slowly become, well, yourself again. So here's the question. Did you actually become more productive? Or were you just acting differently because someone was watching? Believe it or not, there's an entire psychological phenomenon behind this. It's called the Hawthorne Effect. And once you understand it, you'll probably start seeing this everywhere. Imagine you are studying alone. Every 5 minutes, you check Instagram, drink water, look outside the window, think about life. Basically, everything except studying. Now imagine your teacher sits right beside you. Or your parents quietly watch you. Without anyone saying a word, your concentration suddenly improves. Same person, same books, same room, only one difference. Someone is watching. That's the Hawthorne Effect. Or think about going to the gym. You may stop after 10 push-ups. But when your trainer stands beside you, suddenly, you somehow find the energy for 15 more. Did your muscles become stronger in those few seconds? No, your behavior changed. Does this mean we are fake? Not at all. This doesn't mean people are pretending. It simply shows that humans are social creatures. Our brains naturally adjust our behavior when we know we are being observed. Sometimes that's actually useful. It helps us stay disciplined, follow rules, and perform better. But there's a downside. However, there's another side to this. Sometimes people perform well only while they're being watched. The moment supervision disappears, their old habits return. That's why companies, schools, and researchers have to be careful. If they measure performance while everyone knows they're being observed, the results may not reflect normal behavior. In other words, they aren't measuring everyday performance. They're measuring being watched performance. Can you use this trick? Actually, yes. Here's a simple productivity hack. If you are struggling to focus, study with a friend. Join a virtual study room. Tell someone your goals. Or simply record yourself while working. Even if no one watches the recording, your brain often behaves as if someone might. And surprisingly, that small psychological trick can help you stay focused. So the next time you suddenly become extra productive because someone is watching, don't think it's magic. Your brain is responding to one of psychology's most fascinating effects, the Hawthorne Effect. And now that you know about it, I guarantee you'll start noticing it everywhere. If you learned something new today, share this with someone who always becomes super hardworking only when the boss walks in. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more amazing science and psychology explained in the simplest way possible. See you in the next one. Bye.